Today, we will show you a unique tree planting technique using a tire border for added visual appeal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you. Here is the tree I'll be planting. I've previously inlaid a tire in a hole I dug before adding the sod to the old garden area. The hole under the tire is large enough to accommodate for the roots of the tree as well as some quality soil for the roots. Begin filling the hole with a good topsoil. I'm using Miracle Grow. Layer the bottom with a few inches of soil and pack it into the sides of the tire. Carefully remove the tree from its container and place it in the center of the tire-bordered hole. Ensure that the tree is positioned upright and at the desired depth. Backfill the hole with the soil mixture, gently tamping it down to eliminate air pockets and provide stability to the tree. Give the newly planted tree a thorough watering, saturating the soil around its roots. You can also apply a layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or shredded bark, around the base of the tree within the tire border. Mulching helps retain moisture, suppresses weed growth, and insulates the soil. Shortly after planting the tree, we were taking a break inside our home when we found our new cockapoo puppy, Lily, innocently sitting on the couch with a black face. He likes to dig, so we immediately suspected that he had dug up around our newly planted tree. Sure enough, that's exactly what he did. He dug so deep that the roots on one side were suspended in midair. He dug almost a foot down. So now we had to take steps to protect the tree from Lily. To stop her from digging around the tree, we covered the ground with wire mesh. We then surrounded the bottom 2 feet of the tree with 4-inch weeping tile. This will also protect the tree from rabbits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.